How to delete purchases history on Shopee. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your recent purchases. After opening the Shopee customer service, scroll down to Was this article helpful and tap on No. You can submit your feedback here, whatever the problem you're facing, describe here. Then search Delete in the search bar of Customer Service. Tap on Can I delete my purchase history? Now as you can see, you can't really delete your purchase history in the Shopee app. This feature is unavailable on the app. You can submit your feedback regarding this by clicking on the No from this article. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.